Please, Nigerians. When I mean Nigerians, I mean those with Android phone. Are you noticing what is going on? Can you just recall how frequent other Airtel, Glo, Etisalat, MTN, they will just send you a message, you have used up your data. Are you seeing it? Something is wrong somewhere. I think we are now working for network companies. They are using us now. They are as in, you see all these network companies in Nigeria, they are sucking us. You know that Nigerians we like adapting to anything because we believe that suffer is our network. So now it is now for data. Coronavirus, so we don't adapt them. Nobody the reason coronavirus again because washing hand is already normal. I pray that some people will not wash their destiny away by washing of hand for coronavirus that we have not seen. Nobody has come out to say that my relation has it. That one a bygone. Wetin bring me here now, eh? Federal government, I beg. I use God to beg una. You know say anything when it concern poor man, because you know why I call am poor man. Anybody say they subscribe 1,002, 15, that person an average man. Then who they subscribe 200, 100 naira, that person are waiting. They will call a rate of poor man. Yes, poor man will exist, average man will exist, then rich man go exist. For we can't get them wealthy men. Wealthy men, they can subscribe 50,000 per day. But you see me as a day so, I dey do 200 per day. But what be my problem now? Be say I use God to beg NCC. You don't even hear on a voice. Make una come up because you know why? Nigeria Committee of NCC. You see, advisor on communication to the president, to state governors. Please, you people need to get up. You see MTN, you see Airtel, you see Etisalat. They are sucking us. They are sucking our money from data. Normally before, when you subscribe monthly, you will use your monthly data. At least, maybe if you subscribe on the first before, you will still watch video, you will still download film, you will still do everything. Yet your data, some will even still remain. The network will collect them back. But you know what that happen now? My girlfriend they complain the thing. I can't look and say maybe she too they watch film because every time her phone her hand. But you know what they happen? Even me now, the thing don't they tell on me. I don't they now say make I really take time calculate the rate when Airtel say they collect my data. Now fireborn. MTN before those ones they be rockets. They be you know you can say air rockets. They be rockets. Then they rocket person data down and normal. They don't know anything and say right from beginning there be data. Then they rocket person data. They be parachute. Now once they explode your data, the thing go vanish. So I beg federal government. You see corona matter. Make una put them aside first. Make una this one it affect everybody because you know why? Online school. You won't buy a bag online. You won't buy this one online. You won't apply for visa online. Almost now they bring developed world. So the developed world now it don't develop rich Android phone. So everybody now online thing everybody they do because we are going to develop it. I beg una not verse. Even the people they come from abroad, white people they come from abroad, they use Wi-Fi. Even when they are in Nigeria, they are using Wi-Fi. That is in abroad though, they are using Wi-Fi. They use Wi-Fi anytime they are always online. Should not be MTN and Airtel data side, which will even data side. So please, federal government, Mr. President, I beg your advisor on on communication, NCC, please, we need help. We need help, oh please, we need help. MTN is killing us. Airtel is killing us. Etisalat is killing us. Then why Glo is killing us slow because their network now supporting network. I know if you talk about their own they support network. But you see Airtel, you see MTN, you see Glo, please. They are sucking us. They are sucking our money through data. They should please take us back to where we are coming from. When you subscribe monthly, you enjoy it monthly. When you subscribe daily, you enjoy it daily. They should find a way to take us back to where we are coming from. Development is not die. It's not that we are. It's not, development is not a death sentence, but it should be an enjoyment sentence. Please, federal government, we need help. They should please call all the communication companies in Nigeria. They should call them to order. The way they are sucking our money through data, please, we can't bear it anymore. We are no longer enjoying our money on data consumption. We are no longer enjoying it. We know that the rich can subscribe 100,000. Please, federal government, look into the poor people like us. Please, I am still coming up on my business. Please, and every business is online. Please, you that is looking at me, please, if you know say you dey look me with this your phone, abeg share this thing. Share am, because this thing now is affecting 80% of Nigerians, including teenage adults. Is affecting 80% of Nigerians. Communication companies are enriching their pockets while we are drying. Please share this. Please, federal government, I still dey beg. Please, people should come to our rescue. Please.